guys, it's Been Outdoors here. We're fishing the river again today because we have kind of a limited time and it's supposed to rain, so I didn't want to go too far. So you might see some of the same spots. We're going to start off with a Berkley Square Bowl 5.5 in the Honey Shad and see what happens. I'm surprised I haven't caught nothing yet, but there's one. Oh yeah. Number one. That's a good start.
Tell me it's not enough.
He ate it good. That Square Bowl 5.5, we're gonna let him go and try to catch some more. Big old sheephead.
Can't boat flip him?
Not this one, I'm not. Whoa. Oh. Oh. And he ate it good. Well, sorry I didn't get to show you that sheephead, but he had other plans. He's getting out of here. Can't really blame him. Number two. Number two.
That was funny.
What's that?
That was behind us. Another one?
Another one.
Oh, that's a little guy.
Number three. I just missed one. Just missed one again. Number four. Number four. There's a better one. Of course, he's gonna come down here and fish with me. Number five. Yep, told you. Number five. 6.
Number 7.
Breaking around. Number 7. It sure don't look like 9:30 already. Number 8. Little guy. Good one. Here's a decent one.
Catch a fish. Be careful though. I did not want that water.
Number 9. That's a pretty decent one, actually. Thank you, bud.
Biggest fish.
White bass. This must be schooled up with the largemouth.
GoPro one?
Yeah.
Jesus.
White bass, there's something else. White bass. Well, guys, we're out here in some crappy weather again, like usual. You know, just another Hitzman Outdoors adventure. We're under a bridge while it's downpouring right now, so hopefully it'll let off so we can get back to fishing because the fish are biting. We're back at it again.
Wow. Fish on!
That's one of the better ones.
It's a 10-pounder.
Yeah, I wish. Oh yeah. Look at that. He ate it good.
That's cricket.
Number number 10. Whoa, I'm off. This rain's got me messed up.
2.
It wasn't the warmest, was it?
No.
There we go.
Fish on!
There's a good one. Ski him into the boat. Oh, that just, whoa, hey, good job.
That was your fault.
That was dangerous. Whoa, hey, not free. He's coming for you now.
Do you know how to fish?
Heck yeah. Heck yeah, we got another one.
Number 11.
What, are you coming to watch us fish?
I think that's the, is that the parent?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Number 14 on that cranking bait. I just seen one before I caught this one come swirling right at the boat for it and miss it, but
That's not an
ah, should be.
No, there was a little one right past it.
Or they want it to follow them.
Nope, he's back in the water.
Nice one. Real quick, while I got a little bit of a lull here. I've been casting this Square Bowl 5.5 and honey shad in there, and it seems like the fish only will eat it when it's going a certain direction, which normally I've found best on the rivers when you're going with the current, but today they're going against the current, coming straight at me. So, but because it's slowed down, we're going to try throwing this in there and see what happens. That's more like it.
Who's not supposed to rain till 9:30?
Shush. Could be white bass chasing minnows too.
Fish on!
Made that quick switch. Got that wormfish. He popped hook. We're gonna let it go.
Another fish?
Another one. Good Lord, he's really fighting. He's a lot better than I thought it was.
You should have just both.
Yeah. Nice. On that worm again.
What number is that?
I think 13. Another one.
Fish on! Ooh.
Nice. One on the Berkeley coal shad. I wonder if the GoPro caught it. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but as soon as that bad boy hit the water, he come up and hit it right away. And not a big one, but we'll take it. I would say with my best 5 today so far, probably 8 pounds, which that's not awesome, but for a river, that's not bad.
And the weather's been kind of... I've been having to hide a lot.
Yeah, that definitely hasn't helped.
Another one on.
This one's a lot bigger. Oh, maybe. Yeah. I thought it was bigger.
Gee. He's chubby.
Oh shoot, I didn't click that other one either. Another one on the coal shad. Wow, he is fat.
He's fatter than the other one.
If he was longer, he'd definitely be a lot bigger than what he is. Heck yeah. We made a little switch, guys. We're gonna throw the Berkley Coal Shad 6-inch in albino, or pearl white I think it's called. We're gonna go down the bank and see what happens. Kind of surprised there's no largemouths yet. There's one. Dang it! There was one.
Hey, Jack, don't you go bike?
There's a bite.
Bite.
There's a bite. Get back. Oh, you gotta go back where it is.
So, what is the last time I talked to you? Anything else?
Oh, that didn't come back. I got excited. I thought I was going to have that fish come back for it again. But he said, nope, screw you.
What? Is the GoPro going?
That's why. He wasn't even able to eat my lure. You see that thing?
He's been attacked.
Well, do you see the size of him? I mean, I know he's a monster, but... Not even quite sure how he ate this. I'm not even quite sure why he hit at the... If this was the one that hit at my swim bait, he's the size of the swim bait. It's another bite. How in the world?
There's a little
Did
guy.
you see the size of him?
Yeah. Gee. Oh, a somersault.
That's why I throw big baits for
Catch
monsters.
big fish.
That is a monster. You know what? I don't care. It's a fish.
His fin.
Oh yeah, he's beat up for some reason. But
His top fin is completely missing. And he's still able to...
I'm thinking we're gonna end it there with that little chunker. He's definitely unique. Thanks for biting. We'll see you later, bud.
He's strong as can be, though. He's saying bye.
He did too. All right, we're gonna end it there. It was a pretty good day. I ain't gonna.
What did you
Okay, so I ended up with 20 fish. I caught one white bass and one sheephead. Most of my fish came on this rod right here with a Berkley bolt square bowl 5.5 in the honey shad color. I caught a couple on this, the Berkley Coal Shad 6-inch albino, and then I caught probably my couple biggest that I caught of the day, other than like one or two on the square bowl, that Berkley Power Bait Max Scent General 5-inch in green pumpkin.
Hopefully it's not too dark.
So we're gonna end it there. We'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.